Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually not working on anything to do with the car, but it can be done with the car. What I've actually got is I was given a dishwasher, but the handle was broken, and being a tight ass, I don't really want to spend 50-60 bucks for a new handle. However, I've got some Cubon, so today I'm going to show you how you can build like broken bits of plastic with this Cubon and pretty much repair anything plastic. So we'll flip the camera around and I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, so here's a dishwasher I've got here. I've already disassembled it. But here is the broken handle. As you can see, all these tabs here are broken, so that holds a rod in there and there as well. All this is cracked. As you can see, it's all cracked off right there. Bits of plastic missing, so it's all very grubby. So I've got this stuff, Cubon. What it is, it's a two-part repair. You can use it one part, so it's a liquid and a powder form. So the black is for plastic. So you use this stuff for the plastics, and this. And so those are two things, and some masking tape. So the handle sits within this rod. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back together, I'm going to wrap this with a little bit of masking tape so the Cubon doesn't bond to my rod, and basically just going to be filling it. So we'll get started. Okay, so I've just got myself some mineral turpentine, but could use a bit of dishwasher soap and a bit of water if you wanted to, but I don't want to wait for it to dry. And so this thing evaporates pretty much immediately. So I've just got myself an old rag. Okay, so that's relatively clean. That's only going to take a little bit to dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the housing back together and see how it sits. I can't remember now. Should have done it. I think. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I've just put it back together just for my own sanity so I can see how it fits. Okay, because this one's not broken here, I utilise that, and I'll put a bit of tape over this part of the rod here, and then build up over it while the thing is assembled, like that. So clean the tip. Small piece of masking tape. Okay. So I've actually put too much masking tape on that. That looks better. Let's try again. Yep, I'm happy with that. So you sit that down and put some pressure on it. There we are. Okay. I think that's it. Oh. Alright, well, didn't do what I thought it would, but it's good. Okay, so liquid's come out. That's good. So I'm just going to put a little bead of glue just on the broken parts. Just like that. Like that. Okay. Now I'm going to get the black stuff. And just gently put a couple taps and stuff. Okay, and then you just build it. So I'll put a bit more glue, and that's pretty much instant. And just repeat basically. And I've just created a bridge. Now the trick is to figure out how to get it out. Nope, it's moving guys, yay! Doing exactly what I wanted to do. And you see, the rod's coming out, just gently pushing it down, and this build up of glue has not moved, and that's exactly what I was going for. So this whole thing has worked. Okay, let's just keep going until it's out. That's it, I felt it. There we go, there's the rod. And it's out. And we have a build up of, we've got a new rod holder. So now, I will leave this one here open for now, and I'm going to attend to the broken retaining clip. We'll take that out again, figure out how that works. To the broken. I don't want to get too much glue inside, because that means then the handle's going to have glue beads inside, and I don't want that. Not that I really care too much, I just don't want to feel it when I open the handle in the dishwasher. Okay, so that is dry. So what you do is the same thing. You put a bit of bead or glue on first, and then a snot of dust. Let's call it glue dust. Hey, we'll put this glue dust on. That's not the one I use. This is the one. Lovely. And we have a running bead repair. And just let that sit. I don't want to go too high, so I think that is just nice. Okay, just so if you're wondering, we've got this in. So here we've cut up a metal plate for the spring here to actually tension back onto, and the spring's sitting in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bit of glue on this plate, bit of here and just here, and that's where it's going to be because I can't get to the rest. It's not coming out again, that's the way it's staying. So I'll just put a bit of glue in here, trying not to make it ooze inside. But yeah, so this actually failed the first time, so what I did was I reinforced it, so I still did the build up. I sanded it to give it a bit more extra grip, sanded it and ran a bead of glue all the way down there. As you can see this time I was a lot more generous with it. Repaired that crack there and then here. And it's going to be good as new, I reckon. So I'm going to do these welds and I'll gluing jobs, and that'll be it. So that's that plate glued in now, and it doesn't move too much actually because it just activates this little trigger switch here, and no glue is actually run inside the handle from that bit of gluing. But yeah, that's how you could do the very same thing. That's how you could do exactly the same thing with any sort of broken car bits, especially if you've got an really old car and the plastics obviously get old and brittle and make it a bit harder and harder to find. You might have to fix it, and sometimes gluing never really works, but with this it should work. As you can see, I've got a little bit of overspill here, but I grabbed a bit of my sandpaper. Clean that up. Not that it should make a difference. Alrighty guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed yourself and you learnt something. I'm not sponsored by this Cubon, as you could probably tell because I've only got so many subscribers. So if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. The more activity I have on my channel, the more motivation I'll get to upload videos. I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers, bye.